In last video, we are discussing about the both of them, guys. Like the click counter. I have the over counter, guys. Both of them have a common functionality. How you are going to share the common functionality in React.js? React.js, we have the high order component. That one it will go to help you to share common functionality between the components. So here, see what is the high order component? A pattern where a function takes a component as an argument, returns the new component. How you can do it? Constant new component, high order component. Sorry guys, in here I is missing. There is a spelling mistake. Sorry for that. So high order component and original component it will take. What is high order component? In React, HOCs are a pattern for reusing the component logic. So component logic is between the components, as I mentioned earlier. So there are functions that take a component as an argument and return a new component that wraps the original component. This new component can add additional functionality such as authentication, data fetching, error handling to the original component without modifying its code directly. Benefits of the HOC, guys, in simply like in reusability by encapsulating common logic in HOCs, and you can avoid code duplication and promote the code maintainability. And the second one, separation of the concerns, guys. HOCs help separate core component functionality from the cross-cutting concerns like authentication or data fetching. So composition, guys, third one. HOCs can be composed together to create a more complex functionality. Yeah. So let's go on and create this HOC, guys, and easy. And here, so HOC under, yeah, so I want to close everything, and then under HOC folder, I'm going to create another folder called HOC.tsx. Okay. So here what I'm going to write, guys, and simply this high order component. So what is the, okay, first I would like to write simply a constant update. Here first import React, sorry, React from React. And then here what I'm going to do, interface, no, just I would like to create in constant update component, guys. Update component is the equal to original component, as I said in earlier. Original component, whatever name you want to mention, component, just I would like to take in any in this arrow function. Okay, so sorry guys, here we need to write component. Okay, so here just what I'm going to do, so in this class in, as I mentioned earlier, new component, right? It return the new component. So so here I would like to name called as a new component. So new component extends, okay, extends react dot component, guys. So react dot component, in this react dot component, in this component what I'm going to do, just using the normal render function, guys, render function. In this render function, just we want to return, just return original component, yeah, original component. And then just after that, just I would like to return new component, guys. Okay, new component, return new component, and then export default update component, guys. Okay, export default, or that's the one, guys. I can, that's the HOC, guys. So this HOC I would like to call in between both of them. So let me update in click counter as well as the hover counter, guys. So you know, right, in how to do it in HOC, guys. In here, update component, in this one here, just I would like to say the counter, click counter, and then hover counter, guys. In here, hover counter. Okay, so update component. So here, update component. Okay, so here both have the HOC. I updated the HOC. So what is the common logic between both of them, guys? So here common logic is this one, right? Constructor. So let me copy this part, guys, in both of them. So HOC under here, just I would like to paste over here, and then there is another thing is there, just interface. That interface I would like to copy over here, and then what I'm going to do, and one more thing is there, guys, this one, okay, timer state, right? So let me copy paste over here, and then okay, so now everything is okay, guys. So original component, it will take the arguments, okay, you can pass in whatever arguments, and how that is the props, guys. Original component, it will take the props, not arguments, sorry, the props. So how you're going to pass the props? Count equal to, okay, here we have the this dot count, right? Count equal to count. Okay, this dot state dot count, guys. This dot state dot count. Okay, this dot state dot count. Another prop is I'm going to pass increment, guys. So I would like to take this increment, and then the increment is equal to, so here this dot increment, okay, this dot increment. That's all, guys. So original component, it will go to hand over everything. So in click counter, which is not required, this part, remove it. And then hover counter, this part is not required because this is the common functionality, guys, both of them. So here what I'm going to do in both of the places, timer props, just I would like to, this is the TypeScript, that's what I'm taking this both of them, guys. So this increment, just I would like to take this increment. So here I would like to say void, okay, so like that. And just I would like to pass over here timer props, guys, okay, just I want to props. So rather than this, I would like to take props dot count, this dot props dot increment. The same thing what I'm going to do in the click counter as well, guys. So here I want to change this one and this timer props, okay, the dot timer props. And then what I have to do here, just I want to change this dot props dot count and this dot props dot increment. That's all, guys. So both have now everything is okay, ready. And what we have done here, just let me explain, guys, in one more time. So here I took the whatever the common functionality between the both of the component. Now we have the only one place, everything, both of the common functionality, sharing common functionality. And then I'm passing as a props to original component. That one, it will go to take care of that one. So both of them, just I'm passing as a props using as an HOC, just high order component. I put in like this high order component. That in timer props, just I'm passing count number increment, and then I will call this dot props dot count, this dot props dot increment. So let's go and have a look in the browser, and we'll come back in again, guys, to change the naming conventions. Just I will show you. See, guys, see the hover is working as expected, right? Hover is working as expected. Click, see, guys, click counter. Sorry, this name is different. Let me change that name. Hover, right? One is hover, okay. So yeah, let's go and have a look again in the browser, guys. See, guys, the hover is working as expected. Click counter is working as expected. That's all, guys. Both are working as expected using the high order component. So one more final thing, guys. What is the, okay, let me change the naming conventions. Just you can change the naming conventions, right, rather than this one, just with router, okay. And this naming convention, just I would like to with counter, okay, with counter. So I would like to change this return new component to with counter, and with the router, guys. Just whatever name you want to put, guys, and just you can change that one. Just you can call it name shake. So here I would like to change this naming convention with router. So I would like to remove this, okay. So the same thing I would like to change over here as well, and just I want to replace this to update counter with router. That's all, guys. So that is the naming conventions we have to do it, guys. So see here, the count, the hover is working and increment is working. That's all, guys. That is the HOC. HOC means sharing the common functionality between the components. So we are going to remove the avoid the code duplication, promote the code maintainability. That is called as a HOC, guys. Keep in mind that it's very easy HOC. We are going in the real time. We are going to use it in number of times HOC, guys. So keep in mind that. That's all in this video. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, you please subscribe my channel, guys. We'll catch up in another video. Bye now.